here's the thing. I did wake up at 6. But then Trevor didn't have work today. So we went back to bed. It's currently 11. Anyway, I just woke up and I went to bed really late last night anyway, so it's probably better. I'm gonna go downstairs though. Trevor was making a coffee and wasn't making me one, and I was like, bruh, are you serious? So he made me one. I wanted to do a little check-in, you guys, because I'm about to edit my video right now. How are we liking the vlogs, you guys? Like, are we loving them? I look like a fucking marshmallow right now or something. Are we hating them? Are we watching them every day? Are we watching them when you get the chance? Like, what's your guys' opinions? Because it's officially 1 week of posting every day. And I have fucking 51 more to go. 51 more weeks to go, but I hope you guys are really loving them. And if you have any suggestions or anything like you want to see more of or less of or anything, let me know, because I was just thinking about it last night and I'm like, you know what? I don't really film my nighttime routine. I don't know if that's something people want to see, but like, I don't really do that. I don't know. So I just want to check in with you guys and see what the vibe is, what we're missing, what we are wanting. Like, let me know. Also, thank you guys so much for the comments. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Also, I did like a little experiment with yesterday's vlog, which is like the vlog before the last one. I don't know. Wait, did I already talk about this? I think I might have talked about this. Anyway, that one is like one of my most viewed vlogs, which is crazy because it's literally not that good. Yeah, it's got 100 views. Like, that's crazy. My last video has 39. Like, 100 people is a lot of people. Like, especially for my first week of posting vlogs. 100 people, that's a lot of people. Like, if you literally think about how many people 100 people is. Like, this is 100 people, you guys. That's my fucking video. That's funny. All of you guys watching my vlogs. I'm gonna edit my last video and check in after. Love you. BB just brought me a bagel. Thank you, BB. I still have like a fucking hour to edit or some shit, more than that. Hey chids, I'm not done editing my video yet. It's 2 o'clock, but Trevor is pulling me off the couch to go to the store.
Oh wow. What's all my fault?
This is the reason your YouTube video is coming up late. Hey, here we go.
Here we go.
A little daytime adventure that you guys don't really get to see because I never leave the house. Let's roll the window down and get some fresh air. Say what you just said, Ann?
So it's like you get let out of the basement for the first time in a month and you just can't stop like taking everything in.
Well, maybe you need to go in the basement a little more often.
Yeah, I do. 2 for 6, so I got 2. 1 for me, 1 for you.
The Amber edition, sugar-free. Shout out Amber.
Cheers.
Okay, so edited the YouTube video, posted it, and you guys are getting a little treat today because we're working outside. It's actually nice today, as you saw probably earlier in some of the clips. And we're gonna be working outside, and this is a little bit vulnerable for me, so don't judge, okay? These are all the PR packages and boxes that we have to burn, and it's really pretty out here. And then the other thing is our fence fell down in a recent storm, so we're gonna salvage what we can, but we're gonna take our fence down today. Also, that right there is from our dog scratching the door, so we're gonna have to fix that. So I guess I'll just take this.
Tree that fell.
We're burning everything. Hell yeah. I don't want to have to throw this away, but it molded, so it's going in the burn. It's actually a good bag. Okay, keep this. Goodwill. Or Goodwill. Baby is out there still continuing on the fence, and we have a fire, and then we also have these drying out because we're gonna build a chicken coop. It looks pretty decent. The floor is clean. That is not cleaned up, but oh well. That is organized, and yeah, I just need to clean that still, but she's been neglected for a while, so she looks pretty cute now. This is literally adulting, you guys, so we're doing it. We're doing it. That's it for our work today. We have so much more, and honestly, Trevor did most of the work, obviously. But we're gonna take the dogs on a walk now, and I'll probably make dinner when I get back. So, see you guys after. Okay, we're going down a rabbit hole because we're watching the first Avenger, Captain America, aka America's ass. Okay, psych, we decided we're gonna make chocolate chip cookies, so we have a sweet treat while we watch the movie. One of the best chocolate chip cookie recipes is literally the one on the back of this. 3/4 one. I don't really know how much that is. Not that much. That's like a teaspoon. Over yonder.
Over yonder.
I love when we just have the stuff to make.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, now what? How do you lock these still?
Push it on, twist it, and pull it down.
Oh, just like that?
Yeah.
1 teaspoon.
Makes it so creamy.
So creamy, yeah?
This looks actually badussin'.
But
Can you parchment paper one more for me?
yeah, what's... Oh my god.
I hate this pan because it's like, it feels so claustrophobic, if that makes sense. Like, it feels like all my cookies are gonna run into each other. Okay guys, look. Let's try one.
Mm-hmm.